The curtain of night, myth versus reality. Night comes to Bangkok like a slow curtain. Lights bloom on tall buildings. Motorbikes move like bright fish on wet streets. The city feels alive, breathing in the humid air. For many, Thailand at night is a postcard, a story written before they arrive. They think of neon, cheap drinks, and wild parties that stretch until dawn. That is the myth, powerful and pervasive. The reality is deeper, more complex, infinitely more interesting. Vibrant colors, relentless work, incredible food, and sacred places postcards never show. I step from chilled air into the city's warm embrace. The air is thick and smells of street food. Grill smoke and spices trace the neighborhood like a fragrant map. A row of stalls, each one a universe. Under one yellow bulb, a woman stirs, smiles, and asks what I want to eat. What would you like to eat? She feeds her family. Her work is not a party, it is life. Beyond the neon, the pulse of the local streets. Sukhumvit, Patpong, and then the city's pulse changes. Neon glare softens into shop lights and lived-in windows. Here, the night belongs to the locals. A side street, Thai music from a corner bar. Loud but not overwhelming. A community soundtrack. Friends sing along and laugh. Energetic but not wild. Communal joy. I order a local beer and sit, a world away from the thumping bass of tourist clubs. A mechanic sits nearby. I ask why he comes.
I come to forget work for a while. I come to meet friends.
We talk about football. We talk about life. Nights are for decompressing, reconnecting, simply being. Myths focus on transactions. Money for drinks, for entertainment, for company. But here the currency is different. It's relationships. It's belonging. Factory workers unwind over a plate of som tam. Grandparents, parents, children. Ordinary moments, mundane and beautiful. Of course, the tourist nightlife exists. It's impossible to miss. Neon in English, Russian, Chinese, flash and buzz. Promises of cheap cocktails and sexy girls. Clubs pump generic dance music into the street. Khao San Road, Bangla Road, built to welcome and profit from foreigners. For many, it's exactly what they're looking for. A dizzying carnival of light and sound. Approach with awareness, and you can have fun, but be on guard. Myths promise a consequence-free paradise. Trouble can hide in plain sight. Pickpockets work the dense crowds. Scams are common. The friendly free game, the unbelievable drink. Sometimes they come with strings. Bright lights can be blinding. In tourist zones, a beer can cost 3 or 4 times more than nearby streets. You're paying for spectacle, for English menus, for familiar music. It's a bubble, exotic and safe at the same time. A separate economy running beside, not within, local life. Stick with friends, watch your drink, be firm but polite. The biggest danger is the illusion. This neon world is small in a vast, complex city, a show for an audience. When it ends, real life continues. Away from party zones, I meet the people who work while the city plays or sleeps. At 3 in the morning, on a deserted street. Somchai sweeps under a dim lamp. He tells me his name is Somchai. A long commute, a small house far from the center. Night cooks, cleaners, guards, drivers, the city's hidden machinery. A woman sells skewers to bus drivers and night crews. 15 years at the grill. Practiced, precise, determined. A business owner, an entrepreneur of the night. Safety is simple. Walk in groups, keep your bag, wallet, and phone secure. If a place feels wrong, leave quietly. Be mindful of your consumption. Most bad nights start with one too many. A small choice, like a helmet, can change everything. Avoid arguments you cannot win. Thai people are kind, patient, non-confrontational, but always stay aware. Thailand is a kingdom with deeply ingrained norms around respect. Dress modestly at temples, cover shoulders and knees, speak softly, Act with decorum. A Y and a few words of Thai go a long way. Beyond spectacle, the night is for being present and being respectful. Slow down, walk, listen. Let the city show its quieter music. When the lights turn down, the unseen keep working. Their resilience is a truer heart of night than any party. Food is the true heart of the Thai night. From humble carts to busy eateries, food is ritual, celebration, comfort. Smoky fish, fiery papaya salad, sweet mango, a simple bowl of curry and rice. Masters of speed, precision, and flavor, fresh herbs, powerful spices. Street dining is simple, democratic, real. Sit, smile, ask what's good, point if you must. Stories begin here. Festivals add a new dimension. Songkran's joy, Loy Krathong's quiet light, wishes carried downstream. Lanterns breathing stars into the night. Commercial fun meets deep tradition. Two truths in one night. Family, reflection, and faith are part of the celebration. Here, celebration can be loud or very, very quiet. Beyond big cities, nights move slower. Markets close early. People linger to talk. A family-run eatery glows like a beacon. Conversations matter more than the TV. Community and connection, not spectacle. Trade nightclub bass for nature's soundtrack. Sit, listen, be present. Become a guest, not just a tourist. Day or night, authenticity lives where people simply live. Not every night is a party. Sometimes it's errands, laughter, and ordinary joy. The difference between myth and reality is human connection. The myth keeps you at a distance. Reality invites you to participate. See the people behind the services and smiles. Say Sawatdi, say Kop Kun. Small words open big doors. A smile, a gesture, patience, a universal language. Spend wisely. Support small, local, family-run places. I end by the Chao Phraya River. Lights ripple on slow-moving water. A long-tail boat hums past. Barges sway gently.
The night shows many faces.
The myth is one picture. The reality is a tapestry of 1,000 images, 1,000 lives. Bangkok's chaos and Phuket's quiet can both be true. Most nights are food, and work, and prayer, and music, and family, and quiet contemplation. Before you go out, think about your impact. Be kind. Be careful. Spend where it helps real people. Learn a few words. Mostly, listen. The best nights aren't where you drink the most, but where you see the most. Thailand at night has many faces. Search for them. If this story moved you, like, comment, and subscribe for more documentaries. Thank you for watching.